Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to manage the workbook. Workbook is nothing but Excel sheets, okay, or Excel file which contain multiple sheets. So here you know how to add the sheet by clicking on this plus icon, okay, and whichever this sheet is active, right side of that particular sheet you will see a new sheet. If I click on sheet 2 and now I click this plus icon, you will see after sheet 2 you will get a new sheet, okay. Next is renaming a sheet. Why it is important? When you're working with a large files and you need to work efficiently, then that time renaming a sheet is really helpful. Here you will see multiple sheets are present with different numbers. So at that time, if you change the name of the sheet, then it is really handy. So how we can change? Just double tap. This is my data sheet, and double tab on this, write data. Now this become my data sheet and click on anywhere here. This is how we can rename the sheet, okay. Now I will show you how you can create a copy of the data, because when you are working with a sales report or any data, that time it is really helpful when you make the copy of the data and work on that particular copy data, because for any reference the original data is present. Click on control, drag this data file and drop here. It will copy this data file and data 2. So data 2 and data both are having the same details. That is why you don't see any difference on the screen, okay. Here I will add one row. Click on this one, right click and click on this insert button. This is how you can insert a row into your data. Also, if you wanted to insert a column, click on the particular column, right click and insert. Now you will see the difference, data and data 2, okay. To data 2 I will rename it, okay. What I will rename it, it is a sales data, okay. So sales data of the year 2018. I will rename this data as this, yes, sales data. Pivot table, you write just pivot. That means this sheet contains the pivot calculation things, okay. Next, how to hide the sheet. So for this data is my original and I wanted to hide it from this section. So just select it, right click and click on this hide option. Hide. It will hide that data. If you wanted to see, again right click on this area anywhere, and here you will see this unhide option. If you click on this unhide, you will see the sheets you hided before. And if you wanted it, just click on OK. That data will present here. How can we move our sheet? So click on this task. Task is activated the sheet. If I wanted to move, I can double tap on this task. Just drag and drop anywhere you wanted to move your sheets, okay. And another method is right click on this. Here you will see option called move or copy. Click on that. So I wanted to move after this sheet 3, okay, but I don't wanted to move my this task sheet. I just wanted to create a copy after this sheet 3. To click on this sheet 3, click on this create a copy and click OK. Here you will see task 2 and task. Now this task 2 I wanted to move here after this task. First activate the particular task 2 sheet, right click and click on move or copy. Here after this task, that means before this sales data 2018, I wanted to move my task to sheet. Click on OK. So this is how you can move your sheets, okay. Here if you have multiple sheets, okay, for now this is visible. If I click on plus, okay, you will see many sheets are there, okay. Now the sheets number are not visible. So if you wanted to know this sheet, go here, right click. Here you will see the multiple sheets are present, and in which sheet you wanted to work, just select that sheet, click on OK. You will move to that particular sheet, okay. Just come back here. If I wanted this to go this task sheet, just click on that sheet task and click OK. This is how you can move the sheet and see how many sheets are present. Next, how to do the color of these task sheets. Okay, I wanted to color them as well. So this sales data I wanted to color in blue color. Okay, so to do that, first active that sheet by clicking on the name of the sheet. Right click, here you will see tab color, and here you have multiple colors. Okay, I wanted this color, blue. There is no difference here right now, but once I go in different sheet, you will see this is blue color. This is how you can change the sheet color as well. Right click, go to tab color and click the color you wanted to your particular sheet. Workbook properties. So to what is workbook property means whatever this book content, that's property. To manage that thing, you need to go to the file, go to info section. Here you will see the properties. Click on that. In advanced property, click there. So here you will write the summary of your table. For title, I will say sales data of 2018. For subject, I'll just write sales for now. Author, I will give just my name. Okay, category, I will give the sales as a category and click OK. So here you will see different category is added and also the name is changed. So this is how you can change the property. And if you wanted to remove the property, right click here in related to people, and here you have option called remove person. So if you click that, that means all the properties reset. If you wanted to protect this file, this sheet you wanted to protect, go to file, go to info, and here protect workbook. You will see an option called protect workbook. Click here and encrypt your bit password. If you give any password, anyone who can open this, anyone who wanted to open, that person should first know that password. Okay, now this workbook is password protected. This is how you can give the password to your workbook. Also, you can give password for current sheets as well. That options are also present. You can restrict these access to if multiple people you share this file to the multiple people and you wanted to restrict the access for some people, you can give their name or email address to restrict that access. Okay, you can also provide the digital signature. Only with that signature this file will be open. Also, you can write mark as final. For example, you are working in a sales report data and you completed that file. So you can go to the info and click here mark as final, so that anyone who can see that file, they come to know, okay, this file is final one. Okay, so this is about how we can manage the workbook.